I'm gonna make this, and I'm gonna dip it in. And I'm gonna dump this one in there too. That was a lot. Ew. This looks nasty. Nice and screwed up. See? Scoop it. Look at me scoop it out. See? Do it. Scoop. One. Okay, trying to get them. Okay, I'm gonna get a big scoop. We need to try this bottom first so I can see better. But yeah. Oh, that tastes good. Take the strawberry one. Oh, get a big scoop. That's good. Wow.
Come on out.
Peace. You see this? Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Whoa. Those are what they look like, but they will look bigger when they're done. These are what they look like now, because they are finished. That is what they look like. They look so delicious. So delicious.